So I'm calling McDonald's. I'm gonna try to fucking load with this.
Oceana McDonald's, may I help you?
Hey.
Hey.
How's it going?
Nothing.
You know how you got the 6-piece nuggets?
Yes, we have 6-piece nuggets.
Take the 6 nuggets and throw 2 of them away. Just, can you give me just 4 nuggets?
We have order of 4-piece size.
Take the 6 nuggets and throw 2 of them away. And give me 4 chicken McNuggets.
You want 4 chicken nuggets? They're $1.11, sir.
Put 2 of them up your ass. Can I have a junior Western bacon cheese?
You have a blessed day.
I win 1-0.
Wow. This bitch motherfucking got pissed. Hold up. Oh shit, that was hilarious. Let me try this one. You have a blast. Oh my god, let's try this again. Asshole, they're busy. Okay, no problem. I will get this one then.
You know how you got the 6-piece nuggets?
Hello?
You know how you got the 6-piece nuggets? Just, can you give me just 4 nuggets?
Hello?
Take the 6 nuggets and throw 2 of them away. And give me 4 chicken McNuggets.
Oh, he didn't even know what I was doing. Shit, motherfucker. You have a blessed day. That shit was weak. Too soon.
You know how you got the 6-piece nuggets?
Excuse me?
You know how you got the 6-piece nuggets?
Yeah.
Just, can you give me just 4 nuggets?
There's a 4-piece nugget.
Take the 6 nuggets and throw 2 of them away. And give me 4 chicken McNuggets.
Yeah.
Put 2 of them up your ass.
Okay.
Can I have a junior Western bacon cheese? And I'm going to go with a fillet of fish sandwich. Now, if you could take a Coca-Cola and just go half Coca-Cola, half Diet Coke. How much is that, sir?
Oh man, these motherfuckers don't even want to play. Shit, this is hilarious. Let's try this again. This is my last one.
You know how you got the 6-piece nuggets?
What, sir?
You know how you got the 6-piece nuggets?
6-piece nugget?
Just, can you give me just 4 nuggets?
Sir, are you
Take the 6 nuggets and throw 2 of them away. And give me 4 chicken McNuggets. And give me 4 chicken McNuggets.
I'll pick up the phone.
Put 2 of them up your ass. And I'm going to go with a filet of fish sandwich. Now, if you could take a Coca-Cola and just go half Coca-Cola, half Diet Coke.
I'm sorry, this is Christina. How may I help you?
You know how you got the 6-piece nuggets?
I'm sorry?
You know how you got the 6-piece nuggets?
Do we have 6 nuggets?
Just, can you give me just 4 nuggets?
I'm sorry, who am I speaking with?
Me, baby, me. Take the 6 nuggets and throw 2 of them away.
Sell you 6 nuggets, yes, if you come into the restaurant, sir.
Take the 6 nuggets and throw 2 of them away. And give me 4 chicken McNuggets. And I'm going to go with a filet of fish sandwich. Now, if you could take a Coca-Cola and just go half Coca-Cola, half Diet Coke.
Sir, I cannot take orders over the phone.
Also a small seasoned Curly's. How much is that, sir?
A 4-piece nut, I'm not sure. We don't sell curly fries, sir.
You don't give a shit! Gotta lose some of the weight.
Excuse me?
I love you.
Hello?
I love you.
Goodbye.
God, I'm fucking hungry. Let me check the fridge. Shut up. You fucking dick!
Watch this, watch this. I'm gonna call him back, watch this shit. You cocksucker.
You cocksucker!
Hello?
You cocksucker!
Hello?
You cocksucker!
Who is this? Hello?
Fuck my ass. What else?
I'm sorry?
Fuck my ass. What else? Fuck you!
This is Jason?
Fuck you!
If you call my store again, I will call the police. Do not call me back.
Shut up! Fucking